Have you ever wondered how your TV reception works in high-rise or an apartment block? If you live in an older-fashioned building, it's likely your reception comes from a master antenna system. Imagine your apartment block is a Christmas tree, and that the antenna on the roof is the tree topper. And the lights coming down the tree is your TV reception running through the apartment block. In the same way your Christmas lights used to work, the master antenna uses what's known as a series circuit. And if you live in a building that was built pre the year 2000, chances are your building has the daisy chain wiring. A signal comes down the antenna, makes its way along the chain, and delivers reception throughout the building. But what happens when there is a break in the chain? Just like your old Christmas lights, once a connection is broken in a master antenna system, an apartment above the break will get good reception, but any other apartment after the break will have poor or no reception. Whether it's a quick fix or upgrading the block to a newer digital system, TV Magic works with Body Corporate to find your problems and fix poor TV reception at its root. Visit our website today, contact your local technician, and we'll make all your reception problems disappear.